Let's look at how we round numbers to the nearest thousand. Well, once again, we have a number line here, and this time it's from 0 to 1,000. So there are 1,000 digits here, and we're either going to round up to 1,000 or down to 0. So the distance is 1,000 digits from 0 to 1,000. So it's a much larger expanse than we have been using when we've been rounding to hundreds and to tens. Okay, so let's look at the numbers at the bottom, and we know the same rule will apply. This is our midway, 500, because 500 is the middle between 0 and 100. And because that's our midway, we're going to use that to make the decisions for the numbers listed below. Let's look at 300. 300 is there. It's below our midway, so it's going to round. When we round into the nearest 1,000, 300 is going to round down to 0. 700, what will we do there? Yes, 700, it's going to round up to 1,000. 200, it sits here, so it's going to round down to 0. 800 is close to 1,000, so we can see it's automatically going to round up to 1,000. Okay, so you've got the idea. Let's just do one more. Before we continue, you'll see a button here for subscribe. Please press it so you can follow me on my channel and I can help you with your maths. Let's look at the next screen. Now we have, once again, 1,000 digits. We are going from 1,000 to 2,000. And we've got everything going up in units of 100 until we get to 2,000. We all know how to count from 1,000 to 2,000. So the important bit to notice is that you have 1,000 digits on this number line, and we're either going to round down to 1,000 or up to 2,000. So now that we know that, let's look at our midway. Our midway is, as usual, a 500, or something that's got a 5 in it, and it's the perfect middle way between 1,000 and 2,000, so 1,500. Okay, now that we look at 1,500 as our midway, let's decide where's 1,200 going to go. It's going to round down to the previous 1,000, which is 1,000. Okay, and 1,700 is going to round up to the next 1,000, which is 2,000. And 1,500, well, that is our midway, so it automatically rounds up to 2,000. And 1,400 is below our midway, so it's going to round to the previous 1,000, which on this number line is 1,000. Okay, you got it now. And then if you didn't press subscribe just now and you're not a follower, please consider pressing subscribe. I'd love to have you on board to help you with your maths. See you soon.